Dreams come true. Welcome to Learn with Sam, where every story is a spark of motivation, and every lesson, a light on your path. Have you ever had a dream that felt too big to achieve? A goal that seemed miles away from your reality? Maybe people laughed when you shared it. Maybe they told you it's impossible, people like you don't get that far. And somewhere inside you, a small voice whispered, but what if I can? This is the power of a dream. Dreams are not just thoughts that come when we sleep. They are visions that wake us up. They are the pictures we paint in our hearts long before the world sees them. But dreams do not come true just by dreaming. They need action. They demand effort. They ask for sacrifice, patience, and a refusal to quit, even when it's hard, even when it hurts. Today, we bring you the story of Fahad, a boy who dared to believe in the impossible. A boy who didn't have the resources, the background, or the connections, but he had one thing, a dream and the courage to chase it. This is not just his story. It could be yours. If you've ever doubted yourself, if you've ever felt too small for a big world, stay with us. Because by the end of this lesson, you'll know one thing for sure. Dreams don't work unless you do, but when you do, dreams come true. Let's begin. The story of Fahad, from shadows to spotlight. Fahad was a boy from a small village in Pakistan. His world was quiet, dusty roads, broken shoes, and nights without electricity. His family was poor, but rich in one thing, love. Every night, his father would say, "Beta, sapne dekho. Par an sapno ke piche bhagna mat bhulna. Son, dream big, but don't forget to chase those dreams." Fahad had one dream, to become an engineer and build a school in his village, so no child would grow up uneducated like his parents. But dreaming was the easy part. His school had no proper teachers. Sometimes, he studied under a tree. At night, he sat near a kerosene lamp and read old books his uncle gave him. While other children played, Fahad studied. While others slept, Fahad prayed and worked. People laughed at him, engineer, from this village. But Fahad didn't stop. He failed once, twice, 3 times. Still, he stood up. He worked during the day as a helper at a shop and studied at night. Every rupee he earned went into books of fees. Years passed. Rejection letters came. But one day, acceptance arrived. A scholarship from a university in Lahore. His hands shook when he read the letter. His eyes filled with tears. He had made it. The boy who once studied under a tree, now stood in a classroom with AC, whiteboards, and top professors. He worked harder than ever. And finally, he became an engineer. But he didn't stop there. Fahad returned to his village. He didn't buy a fancy car or move to a big city. He built that school, the one he had seen in his dreams since childhood. And when he stood at the opening ceremony, he looked at the little kids in the crowd and said, "Never stop dreaming, because I am proof that dreams do come true, if you're willing to fight for them." The lesson, what Fahad teaches us. Fahad's story teaches us powerful truths. 1. Circumstances don't define you, choices do. You may be born in poverty, but you are not bound by it. 2. Dreams need action. Passion alone is not enough. You must put in the effort when no one is watching. 3. Failure is not the end. It's just part of the process. Keep failing forward. 4. Vision plus grit equals success. A dream with hard work becomes reality. Many of us stop chasing our dreams because of fear, doubt, or the opinions of others. But remember, Fahad didn't have money, comfort, or a support system, he just had belief. And belief is a powerful thing. Strong, motivational quotes from the lesson. If your dream doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. The road is hard, but so is regret. Choose your heart. You don't need a perfect start. You need a determined heart. So what's your dream? Maybe you want to speak fluent English. Maybe you want to become a doctor, an artist, a teacher, or even change the world. Whatever it is, don't let it die in silence. Don't let the world convince you that you're not enough. You are. You don't need to have everything to start. You just need to start with everything you have. Like Fahad, the journey may be long. There will be setbacks. People will doubt you. You might even doubt yourself. But keep going. Keep showing up. Keep believing, not because success is guaranteed, but because you are worth the fight. And one day, when you stand where your dream once lived only in your mind, you'll smile and say, yes, it was hard. But yes, it was worth it. Because in the end, the world doesn't belong to those who only dream, it belongs to those who never stop chasing those dreams. Thank you for watching Learn with Sam. If Fahad's story inspired you, share this lesson with someone who needs hope today. And remember, no matter where you start, dreams come true.